Hi guys, good morning. By the way, we are here in Mambocal Mountain Resort. From city going here, you can ride a Cebro bus. 1 hour's travel, just 70 pesos per head. Non-aircon bus. Okay, let's go inside. So guys, before you enter, you need to pay a 140 entrance fee. All total package, you can use all swimming pool inside. And then let's go. Let's see what inside. We look around. So guys, this is it. So guys, from the main gate going to the first swimming pool, you need to walk 10 or 15 minutes, something like that. It's far. You need to walk, but it's very beautiful because you can enjoy to watching the all big trees and then the singing birds. So guys, and then this is the first swimming pool I saw them. This is the color like aqua green, tama ba? So guys, ito po yung swimming pool nila dito. Sobrang ganda, malaki siya and perfect combination. And guys, by the way, mega shout out to my loves. Lagi niyang ni-request sa akin na magsasalita ako ng English para maintindihan niya. Pero ako, dugo-dugo talaga yung ilong ng Inday ninyo. Okay? Pagbigyan natin para maintindihan niya din. So guys, this is the very beautiful. Oh, did you see that? Sobrang ganda. And then our next destination, we go to Infinity swimming pool. This is the bridge. We need to cross this bridge. So guys, this is the water. Syempre, because due very hot, we are in El Nino. Sobrang konti lang talaga yung tubig na dumadaloy ngayon. And then let's go. We need to walk like 10 minutes para makarating sa Infinity pool. And this is the Infinity swimming pool. Guys, sobrang laki. This is a big, very beautiful, and I really like this swimming pool. You know why? It's clean and sobrang ganda and perfect combination. Yung paligid niya, they have a lot of tree around. In the center is the swimming pool. And then the water is warm. Sobrang ganda. And this is time is wala pang katao-tao masyado because you know it's too early. I come here early because you know it's better to come here early. It's not so much hot. So ayan, did you see that? It's really big swimming pool. And now we go to the boiling spot. We need to walk from here swimming pool. We need to walk around 10 minutes. And this is it, the first boiling spot. This is the small. Okay, let's try. Ouch! My God! Legit, very hot, as in very hot. And then let's go to the big area of boiling spot. Okay, sobrang na-excited ako kasi I just want to try kung gaano pa talaga kainit yung tubig dito. Oh, this is the boiling spot. We need to step down and careful kasi baka malaglag tayo doon. Ay nako, luto tayo. Okay guys, let's try. Okay, just slowly. Okay. Ouch! Yeah, it's really hot. So guys, did you see that? This is the boiling spot. So guys, because due of the El Nino, the water just only like 1/4 only. Sobrang konti lang, mababa yung tubig niya. It's shallow. So guys, this is really hot. You can bring here eggs. You can boil the eggs. Oh my God, it's really hot and smell sulfur. This is connected from the Canlaon. So guys, this is it, the boiling spot. That's why they called Mambocal. And now let's go to the spot of boiling spot. This is the boiling spot, and we go to the hot spring area. We need to walk 15 minutes to go there. And this is it, the area of hot spring swimming pool. So guys, you can sit here 10 to 15 minutes ang maximum kasi baka maluto ka na inside. Nako. So ayan, sobrang ganda dito at sobrang na-impress ako sa view. I like the view, and especially it's really nature. It's very, you know, the scenario na you are in the middle of the mountain and they have a lot of this kind of beautiful views. So that's it guys. So that's our video for today. Sobrang ganda dito and I like this place, very beautiful and silent, relaxing.